Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
morning.
ma'am. Ma'am, how are you?
I'm
How are you?
Beta. How about all of you?
Ma'am, someone is by the name. Lenovo Tab 4. Ma'am, I am Vamika.
By which
Good
name?
morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Vamika.
Okay, Vamika. Fine. Now, children, what we are supposed to do? This is our English comprehension class.
Ma'am,
creative.
No, ma'am,
Creative. Okay, this is our creative class. Now, what was the last last class topic? What was the last thing?
Speech writing on morning walks.
Yes, speech writing on morning walk. Very good. Now, today I'm going to share one comprehension, unseen passage with you all. Okay. I'm sharing screen with you. You all will, it is a very small this thing, passage. So what you will do, you can write that passage first in your copies and then you'll do the question answers. Fine. Just give me a minute. I'm sharing it.
Ma'am, can you send me WhatsApp group?
Yes, I will send it on WhatsApp group also and here also.
Okay, ma'am.
It is compulsory to write the classes or it is the choice? Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write first paragraph or second?
Let us see. Write down the entire this thing passage because there are just 5 questions in it. 4 questions.
It's very blurred.
It's very blurred. I'm sending it on the class group.
Yes, ma'am.
But I'm sending everybody, please check your class groups. I'm sending it over there. Going to the movies.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to. Ma'am, we have parents.
What, beta? What, Raina?
Ma'am, I am saying that we have to write whole paragraph.
Yes, the whole passage you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write down this paragraph also.
Yes, children, yes, you have to write it.
Okay. Ma'am, we have to write this full paragraph.
Yes.
Now, what is written after going to the movies
On a field trip.
Ma'am, what is written after we have to get permissions?
Permission slips signed before we go.
Ma'am, slips and signed are the same words or different words?
Different, separate words.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am?
beta. Yes.
I have written a small poem. Can I send it on your personal number?
Okay, beta, send it, but I'll read it later. Okay.
Okay. And my first paragraph is done this. Ma'am, when we will light, we get we get to the movie early, so we can buy popcorn, some popcorn. So, ma'am, we have to write from other line or the same.
You can
line?
write from the next line.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, by leaving one line space,
And what is written after parents in first paragraph?
After parents, we also need to ask our parents if they will drive to the movie theater.
ma'am, what is slushes? What are slushes?
What are
Slushes.
slushes? But slushes is a drink that is made of ice.
There is any word written after parents?
What?
Ma'am, is there any word written after parents?
Parents if. It's written if.
Ma'am, can you send this picture on the WhatsApp group?
Ma'am, in the
Yeah, I
second
have already sent
paragraph,
it on the class group. What?
ma'am, in the second paragraph, we when we return to school, after that, ma'am, we have to put comma or sorry, ma'am, full
Beta, it
stop.
is a comma. It is a comma. Why? Because we can see V is not written in the capital W is not written. It's small w. Yes. So there's a comma.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for answer number 1, can I write the students need to get the permission slip signed before they go before going to the movie?
Perfect, beta. Perfect. This is the only answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the second paragraph is starting from the next line, so I have also to start the second paragraph from next line.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, I have done the paragraph.
What?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done the.
Ma'am, in the next paragraph, what is written after some of us buy?
Buy candy and slushes too. Slushes is a drink.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, in first answer, ma'am, we have to write Students also need to ask their parents if they will ride to the movie theater.
No,
First
what
answer
do students need to do before going to the movie? They need to get the permission slips signed. They have to
Okay.
take the permission from the parents. They have to get those slips signed.
Okay.
All of you have written this passage?
Ma'am, I'm on the last para.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Most of you have written. Okay, now Akshada, beta,
I'm on the second para.
Akshada, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the whole passage so that
Can I
everybody can
read?
understand it. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. My class is going to the movie on a field trip next week. We have to get permission slips signed before we go. We also need to ask our parents if they will drive to the movie theater. We are going to see movie that tells the story from the book we read. We love it when movies are made from books. It is fun to compare the movie to the book. I usually get the book better. We get the movie early so we can buy popcorn. Some of us buy candy and slushes too. We all enjoy watching the movie. When we return to school, we, we, uh, we we talk about the things that were in the movie and the book. The movie and book are similar. We all agree that we like the book better through. Books let you picture the characters any way you want to picture them.
Okay. So all of you have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
comparison is being made and what thing is being given edge over movies? Yes. The comparison is being done between movies and books. And what is usually better, it is said in according to this passage. So now do the question answers.
Mama said the books are better.
Books are better. Yes. So now why books are better? Now a reason is also given. So all of you do these question answers now and send it on the class group.
Ma'am, can you send the paragraph on the class group? So,
Beta, I have already sent it there. Please check your class
ma'am.
group.
Mom, actually in my laptop it is not showing. So mom, could you please resend it? Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the third one, do we have to write the reason why we like movie or the book?
Yes, you. Which one are you? What do the students like better, the movie or the book? According to this passage, what do the students like better? You have to tell that.
They like the book better.
Now, better check. I've sent it again.
Yes, mom, I got it.
Ma'am, I also send Rena.
And we have to write the reason also in third.
We have to write what?
Ma'am, reason.
No, reason. No, you don't have to write the reason.
Ma'am, do we have to send it on the WhatsApp group?
Yes, you have to send it, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is right after books in question number 4?
What do books let you do?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, anybody is with the name of Samya Alfia?
Yes, ma'am.
Samya Alifia, beta, you have joined the wrong link. In your class right now, which period is going on? Let me tell you. It is Sadhna ma'am's class going on. Join Sadhna ma'am's link.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one day in the English creative writing class, what happened with me was that someone literally entered with my name and started playing songs, and he left.
Okay.
For
Yes,
a minute, he
I got to
entered
know.
Ma'am,
and
that
he left.
happened.
I got to know.
Ma'am, that happened in GK class.
Okay, okay, okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the question first, what do the students need to do before going to this movie? So we have to write the reason.
No. What do they need to go? How will they go to the movie? First, what is?
Ma'am, by permission.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can write like we have to get permission slip signed before we go.
You have to get it signed, beta. Read the question first. Is it asked in the question, what do you need to go before going to the movie? What do you need to do before going to the movie? Or it is asked, what do students need to do? What is
Okay,
written?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so we have to write the students have to get permission
Yes.
slips.
Yes. Okay, children, tell me, we have speech writing, formal letter, comprehension, and what is the fourth topic in the syllabus of English creative writing? What is the fourth topic? Formal letter,
Wait, I'm
speech writing, comprehension,
Ma'am, diary entry. Ma'am, diary.
diary.
Ma'am, what we have to do? Ma'am, what we
Diary.
have to
Thank you.
question for?
Question 4 is, what do books let you do? According to this passage, there is something that books help us in doing. What is that thing? Read it again in the second paragraph. You will find it.
Ma'am, I've sent my
Ma'am, I
work.
know.
Ma'am, in my it is written comprehension passage, formal letter and diary speech is coming,
Yes,
not
beta.
diary entry.
Beta, diary entry is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Diary entry is there, very much there. Speech writing,
Yes,
formal
ma'am.
letter, comprehension, and diary entry. In fact, diary entry is the most interesting topic of all the topics.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
I have only received Akshadha's work on the class group. No one else has sent.
I'm on question answers. Ma'am, I'm on question 3.
Ma'am, I have sent just.
Ma'am, you have not checked my first answer.
Yes, now see, I have sent.
Ma'am, I have sent my work just.
No, ma'am, it's not there.
Better now it is there.
Yes, ma'am.
मोबाइल से नहीं कर सकती अबे तक ना करते मोबाइल तो फिर जरूर क्या
Mute yourself. Mute it. Children, you can send your work when you complete it. Okay.
Ma'am, what we have to write in second question? What is fun compare? I do not know.
What is fun to compare? It is fun to compare the stories you have already read
From the book.
Yes, from the books. It is fun to compare movie to the book. When you watch movies and you've already read it in the books, it is fun to compare.